Hello again, Teacher Sarah here. I wanted to talk to you today about workshops and how important they are. Once you've gotten your contract and even once you've gotten access to the VIPKID portal, teacher portal, get on there and find the Academy. It's going to be up on the top left-hand side of your teacher portal, Academy. That is going to offer you so much information, different videos to watch about classes, different workshops you can attend, little tidbits here and there of different things you can do to help your class, to work with your student, to make yourself better, to learn how to work the slides. There's so much information, and I will tell you, I strongly suggest that you take some workshops before you even set up your booking. I know, I was there. I was like, yes, I'm hired. I'm going to do some bookings. But, you know, you can't steer the ship until you've had a class. So I strongly suggest getting in there, getting some more knowledge. It's going to be a couple more days of gathering and sitting through videos and talking to people, even YouTube videos. But it's going to be such a benefit to you and your classroom. And the first one I so strongly recommend is Trials. You can read it there. Trial Class Tips and Tricks. I took that with Shannon, and that was wonderful. I have written to VIPKIDs and said, hey, this should almost be a prerequisite. It'll be nice to get paid to take any of the workshops, but this one in particular, because this one talked about, you know, what to do before you even sit down with your student. Play some music. Start doodling on your screen, you know, a few minutes beforehand. Set the tone for your classroom. This is how you work the slides. This is what you should introduce, you know, for some props. You know, here's some ideas for what you can use, and you don't have to get through all the slides. You really want to get that student excited about what it is that we offer and who you are, and you want to get the parents on board too, and you want them thinking, hey, this is fun. Billy's learning. This is a good thing. I think we should sign up. At the end of the day, it is about marketing, but taking a workshop, this trial workshop in particular, is going to help set the tone for your first class. I was obviously nervous, scared, doing my first class, as you know, many of you probably will be or are, and it gave me some tools to draw from, and with each class I've done since then, it's really helped me have a smoother class and to be more comfortable. And if I'm comfortable, my student's going to be comfortable, and that's an exciting thing, because you want them to say, hey, we really like this, let's come back again tomorrow. Mom, sign me up. It's really what you want to have happen. So workshop. They're about an hour each. There's several different ones to choose from. I would say take as many as you can. I did like 7 in 2 days, and my head was spinning. But I wasn't getting any bookings right then, so I might as well keep gathering information. Consider it like an orientation time where you're just getting the tools you need to be a success and to have a wonderful classroom with your students. So get on top of the workshops. Check out all the downloads that they have, any videos they have, YouTube videos, like where you found me. Check out all the other teachers too and what they have to offer. It's going to help you be a success. Along with that, I will say it's been a benefit to me, at least. I don't know anyone else's experience, but I haven't been getting a lot of bookings because I am new, and everyone calls it, you know, trial jail. So I did send a ticket, and I said, hey, you know, this is what's going on. I've taken several workshops. I really want to start putting things into practice. And they were super awesome. Within 24 hours, they got back to me, and they said, hey, we see that you've taken all these workshops. We see the classes you've taught. Here's some things you can do to start getting new certifications and to get more bookings. So I really thought that was awesome that, you know, we're worlds apart, and yet they were coming alongside me, and I feel if they do that for me, they'll do that for you also. And so I've gone ahead and gotten some more certifications, and I'm signed up for 2 more workshops tonight and tomorrow that's going to help me get more information and better my class, better my students, and hopefully better my bookings. So workshops are something that they do look at. I know something was recently said in the Hutong about, should parents be able to see the workshops you've taken, and there's pros and cons to it. I know, some people work full-time, some people work full-time and have families, and one more thing on their plate is too much. For me personally, in my world, I'm all for it, because I think the parents can look at that also and see, hey, you know what? This teacher has taken 7 workshops. They've looked at how to use phonics. They've learned how to give good feedback, or whatever it is that VIP Kid wants to say about the workshops. At least it would be on there so that the family would know that you're still involved, even if you're not teaching. And that's not a knock to anybody or anything. That's just me, and what I feel is also an asset to taking the workshops. So get out there, do the workshops, watch the videos, just immerse yourself as much as you can, and also remember to take a break, because I was like a zombie after sitting through all these classes. Take a break, process it, and it's going to make you just an even better teacher than you already are. You got to believe in yourself. You got this. I believe in you, and I can't wait to see all of your videos on YouTube.